We're now with the county clerk, and I'll note that Councilman Primor and Hagar are here. And Brenda, if you could introduce yourself and your colleagues, and then make whatever brief budget presentation you'd like.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, Mayor Dean, Deputy Mayor Hynode, and Mr. Riebling. I thank you for this opportunity. I'm Brenda Wynn, Davidson County Clerk, and joining me from our leadership team today is Mr. Joey Workman, our Chief Deputy Clerk for Administration, Mike Taylor, our Chief Deputy Clerk for Motor Vehicle Services, and Ms. Tammy Drake, Director of Business Services. I'm proud to share with you this year some of the accomplishments the clerk's office has realized. In July 2014, we implemented the changes necessary to allow the printing of license plate decals on demand. That change reduced the amount of controlled inventory that is tracked and eliminated assignment errors in our department. For those who may not have had a chance to take advantage of that service, what happens is that the decal is printed at the time of purchase. The license plate number, corresponding license plate number, is printed on that decal, and we believe that that kind of reduces the theft of decals in this county. Another improvement that citizens can now benefit from was the introduction of the first full-service motor vehicle self-service kiosk in Tennessee, and we thank you, Mayor Dean, for joining us as we introduce that service to citizens of the county. It allows customers to conveniently renew vehicle registrations in just a matter of seconds. And we hope to be able to add this service to all of our satellite offices by the end of the next fiscal year. One final improvement I'll mention is the fact that we no longer process checks, but we scan checks, and doing that has allowed us to improve our accounting and expedite our end-of-month reconciliation. Now, as it relates to projections, we're on track and expect to exceed the number of transactions processed in our motor vehicle division last year by approximately 5%. In fact, I'd like to share that over the last year, we have seen transactions at our main branch increase by almost 33,000. Part of that had to do with services that were no longer being offered by the State Advantage Way. You were so kind to provide additional staffing to help us support that, and we just believe that the increase in numbers that we see now are bearing out the fact that we really did need more people to help us process all that work. Our numbers in marriage and notary and business are on track as well, but we're seeing a huge increase in our passport services area. Over the last year, we've seen passport services increase by about 40%. In fact, one day in January this year, we saw 80 people on a Friday show up to get passport services. We were not prepared to handle that. We had about 7 staff people that had to help us manage that process. And so what it's done, it's forced us to have to go to appointments only in our passport services. This morning when I left, I checked, and we're already scheduling passport application schedules up into the first week of May. We just see that process continuing to increase as our post office, which provides that service as well, has gone to an appointment-only schedule. So again, we're just trying to do our level best to provide the service to citizens. We charge $25 per transaction, and we processed last year 4,271 passport applications. We're asking this year for improvements in the area of postage, because what happens is when people show up and they need to expedite their passport, well, that requires us to provide an additional mailing fee, and so it's putting an additional strain on our already overtaxed postage line item. So we're asking for an additional $15,000. We generated revenues in that area of $106,000 last year, so just ask if you would consider that.
How do you, number one, I can vouch for the quality of the services. I got my passport renewed at your office, and it was seamless. But how does that work in terms of how do you generate revenue on that?
We charge $25 per application processed. And so if you come in to get passport services, we charge you a flat $25 to process your application. If you want to expedite your passport application, you have to pay us the $19 that it takes to mail your application by priority mail to the Department of State. And we used to try to do that in a bulk way. The passport services have said, no, you can only mail us one application per envelope. And so we charge the fee. We charge the $19. It's just that that money doesn't always find its way back to us.
So there's you charge for the fee, the $25?
Charge of $25.
And then there's the passport fees that are related to, I guess, the State Department?
And they write a check to the Department of State, not to us.
All right. And do they give anything to you all for providing the service, the Department of State, or is it?
No, they allow us to collect that $25 fee for providing that service.
Service, okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, it's well done. I mean, I did it. I think I had it expedited, and everything worked out well. I had it when I needed it, so thank you.
Well, I'd like to say that, again, because of the increased flow of traffic at our main branch, we continue to work with the Department of Finance to examine the logistics of traffic flow, and we're going to work to try to implement a queuing system that will help us manage that flow. And I just thank you for this opportunity. I'll close by also thanking you for the cooperation I've received from your administration since joining the clerk's office. Working with you and your leadership team has made my transition into the clerk's office a lot smoother. And I'd also like to publicly thank the staff of the clerk's office who work day in and day out serving the citizens of this county, and now, because of Passport Service, Middle Tennessee. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for all your great service, and thank you to your employees for all they do, too. Talk a little bit about the kiosk. Is that working as well as you expected?
It is working very well when we can get people to use it. And the other day, we had a line out at, we generally have lines out there. And so we had a line, and I said, if there's anybody in the line who's going to use a credit card, because you have to know there's an additional fee for using a credit card. But if you're going to use a credit card, you can come over to the kiosk and renew now. A woman walked over and within about 30 seconds had her decal and was just yelling, "That was great."
Well, I think when I was there, it took like 28 seconds to
Yes,
get
sir.
it
Yes, sir.
done. That's
So,
pretty impressive.
and again, I'd like to provide that service at every one of our branches. That way, if it's end of the month and things are a little backed up, at least you can expect a little bit quicker service through the kiosk.
Good. And the facilities, the new buildings working out well for you?
The building is working out very well. Again, it's the fact that we have a lot more people in the building is causing us to think more realistically about how we can move people in and out in a more efficient way. So the queuing system is something that we're really working toward.
Okay.
And I obviously go out to Howard School a lot, and it's amazing to me the number of people that are before 8 o'clock are lined up outside
to get the service.
to get in, and then just the flow of traffic. It's just it's steady. Yeah, there's no
All
question.
day long,
Yeah.
all day long, we're seeing that steady flow of traffic, and we thank our citizens for the patience they exhibit too coming through that office.
Most people even are not, or I won't say they're smiling, but they're not grimacing too bad when they're coming out, so they're getting good service.
Well, we
I know.
understand that people come to our office not because they want to, but because they have to. And we want to make it as painless as possible. So just know we want to serve them in a very efficient and effective way.
Good. You got anything,
Nothing.
Craig?
It's good.
No, I just appreciate Brenda. She does a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you for what you
Thank
do.
you so
Thank you
much.
all.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Matt.